Breaking news today in BBB World News. A profound chef launching her own Creole and Ethiopian cuisine food truck based out of Rochester, New York. Chef Cook began her professional career in culinary arts 5 years ago. With great perseverance, has now resulted in the launch of a food truck business. The truck is dedicated to aiming their meals to healthy-driven eating choices, looking to bring more jobs into the local community. When asked for comment, a patron described Chef Cook's food as the most impeccable street food menu he ever tasted. To stay informed, follow their social networking channels. The food truck is named Honey, I Shrunk the Menu, a self-explanatory title. We can't leave without giving the chef a happy birthday announcement, which is approaching this month. A phenomenal mother, devoted chef and persevering entrepreneur that seems to make life a bit more enjoyable with her vibrant, spirited and fantastic personality. On behalf of World News, we are wishing you remarkable success and a monumental future.